All you need is a ball of yarn, and you can crochet a shiny silver purse. Though small, it can hold quite a bit. The stitches are simple, just long crochet stitch and chain stitch. Oh, it's easy to learn. Materials needed. Part 1. Starting stitches. Place stitch markers beside the 4 metal rivets. On the left and right sides, crochet 3 stitches per hole. On the top and bottom sides, crochet 2 stitches per hole. First, make a slip knot, then join the yarn securely. Start joining from the middle of the left and right sides. With the raised part of the rivet facing you, count 4 holes to the right from the left marker. Pull the yarn through and make 1 chain stitch. Then work a single crochet in the same hole. Mark the first stitch with a stitch marker, then complete the remaining 2 stitches. Three stitches per hole. After finishing the marked sections, switch to 2 stitches per hole. Follow this pattern all around the base. At the end of each round, slip stitch into the first stitch to join. This does not count as a stitch pull tightly. Part 2. Crocheting the bag body. Chain 3. Counts as first double crochet. Place marker on 3rd chain, rounds first stitch. Chain 1. Skip 1 stitch. Work 1 double crochet in next stitch. Refer to double crochet demonstration. Chain 1. Repeat pattern. 1 double crochet, 1 chain stitch, skip 1 stitch, around. Join with slip stitch as before. Repeat this pattern for subsequent rounds until desired height. Final round. Work 1 double crochet in every stitch, including chain spaces, for 100 stitches total. Fasten off. Weave tail inside bag, secure and trim. Part 3. Drawstring. Chain stitch until length equals twice bag width. Weave through center holes of lacy round, skipping every 3 holes. Attach snap button. Press in place. Use hook to pull drawstring through both ends. Tie knots at ends to secure. Attach long straps to complete.